I'm gonna start with the landing page just because it looks beauty. I'm gonna jump straight to the product, explaining you everything along the way. So first of all, everything is already live, so you can try that. I'm gonna share the link after the demo. So in order to try the product, you can go here, try beta, create an account for yourself, and you'll go straight to the action. So in order to digitalize your wardrobe, you need to upload photos of your clothes. And in order to do that, we just have one button, and we did that intentionally, so let's do that. And before you upload photos, we give you some examples of how your photos should look like. We do understand that people will not listen to this advice. Anyways, we have them, and we also have them covered. So unless they don't follow this, we will make the clothes look even more beauty. So let's take a look at that. So we have a couple of examples here, and then we'll need to upload photos. And I intentionally gonna use photos with some like effects, like hangers, sort of that stuff, with corners like here, with some background. So let's try that. I'll start with 3 photos. Okay, I need to move it here. And while this is uploading, what's going on behind the scenes is that we remove the background for all the photos, and we're trying to make your wardrobe look more beautiful so that you can create better looks. So now, as you can see here, all your photos are without the background, so you can just mix and match them all together. They look amazing. And I'm going to add more photos so that we can create more looks here. And while this is uploading, what you can see here is that we have main tab here with wardrobe, where actually all your wardrobe items are allocated. And you also have different categories. So in case you have a huge amount of wardrobe items, you can just categorize them. Let's say I'm gonna assign this with shoes. And then you can just see specific categories and all the associated items. But let's jump straight to action. So let's go to looks. And here in looks, we have on the left, we have various items. And here on the right, we can play around with them. So it works really neat. So on the left, you add clothes, and on the right, you mix them all together in order to create looks. So I'm not really good at that, but I think it would look good. So I'm gonna save this one as my look. Save them to looks, and then I can continue doing that, okay? So, and this canvas works like magic. So you have beautiful photos, you can move them around, you can save photos and all this stuff. And then you can take a look at your saved looks here at Looks tab. And what's even better is that when guys like myself, I know nothing about clothes, I can share my wardrobe with friends. So basically what's going on, I'm clicking share. And when I share it, you can actually see my wardrobe and you can create looks for myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and send this link to chat for yourself after this. And yeah, you will be able to play around with these clothes, save them for me, and create looks for myself. And on my end, I'll be able to see all these looks. So here it is. So in case someone knows that better than me, they can create better looks for myself. And also there are a couple of things here. We have virtual stylist and we have your shop. And these are just the ideas for the future. So we were thinking of what features to build and what features not to build. So we decided first to build the wardrobe and that sharing link feature, just to make it, try to make it a bit more viral. But then the next steps would be to build shop and virtual stylist, so that, let's say, when you upload like 300 wardrobe items, but you only use half of them, we will recommend you to sort of give a second life to the rest of the items if you don't use them. So that's basically how things work. Besides that, we also have like admin panel, but it looks weird and I don't want to destroy this beauty, so I'm not gonna show this today. But Sarah has access to like all the activity that users do on the platform. She can track the look, she can track the photos uploaded, and then contact them and figure out what they do on the platform, why they registered, or why they don't use that. So that's the main thing about the application. And lastly, I just want to say thank you to our brilliant team. Here it is. So these are all the guys who worked together during this 2-week period. We have a little bit bigger team than typical team, but that's just because we had lots of rotations, right? But yeah, still nailed it. We demonstrated great results. So yeah, thanks everyone, and thanks Sarah. That's it.